Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can create WhatsApp drip campaigns. Drip campaigns are used to send series of messages to your contacts. To create or manage WhatsApp drip campaigns, you have to firstly go to your WhatsApp bot. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Just click on that. For the demo purpose, I am selecting this WhatsApp chatbot. After selecting your WhatsApp bot, you will land on this page. Then you have to go to the WhatsApp automation section. Here we have the different subsections. You can create or manage your broadcast and drip campaigns. You can manage your widgets. You can create and manage your templates. And you can create or manage your catalog. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. For now, we will be talking about the drip campaign. Here you have to enter the name of the drip campaign. For the demo purpose, I am writing shows campaign here. And then you have to click on the continue button. After that, you have to select the enrolled contacts. That means whom do you want to send the drip campaign. You can select all contacts. You can select predefined groups to send the drip campaign to your groups. And you can also select the contact enrollment rules option. For now, I am selecting the predefined groups option. Here you have to specify the groups. I am selecting this group for now. You can also create a group by clicking on the create group button. Here you have to select the start date of the drip campaign. I am selecting 30 for now. And you have to set the time and then click on the set button. Here you will schedule your templates. From this drop down menu, you can select the template. To start a drip campaign, you firstly have to create a new template. If you want to know about creating a template, you can refer to the video how to create a new WhatsApp template. The link will be given in the description box below. For now, I am selecting this template. And then you can select the time when do you want to start the drip campaign. For example, you can select 1 minute here, or I am selecting 1 day. You can also select 1 hour. And here it is asking for the variable values, because in this template I have added 4 variables. So I have to specify the values for the variables. This is the body of the template that you can see here. For the first variable, I wanted the value of the name. So I am selecting WhatsApp name here. For the second variable, I again wanted the name. So I am selecting WhatsApp name here again. For the third variable, I wanted the email, but I can't see that option right here. So I can later add from the custom attributes. I am leaving this for now. And for the fourth one, I wanted the phone number. So I am selecting phone here. You can select the template and the variables accordingly. And here you can add up to 5 schedules by clicking on the plus button. You can see the second schedule has been created and the third schedule, fourth schedule and the fifth schedule. And you can also delete them by clicking on this delete button. After entering all the information, you have to click on the create drip campaign button and your drip campaign will be created. So that was all about the WhatsApp drip campaign. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.